have a gift for you. I need all this cleaned up in this kitchen tip-top within an hour. And everything that you're going to need to do it's over here. I expect this kitchen to be in tip-top shape in an hour, and that will be your gift to me.
What's going on?
Oh, just trying to clean the kitchen up for the manager. She says it has to be in tip-top shape.
What all you gotta do? Are you talking, Paula? Are you okay? Are you okay? Can you speak?
Wow, looks like the new hire has made a big mistake in handling chemicals properly. Don't let this happen to you. Pay close attention to our final segment, where we will review how to prepare cleaning and sanitizing solutions, how to use chemical test strips, cleaning and sanitizing of food contact surfaces, pot and pan sink setup, and use of the dish machine for final sanitizing and material safety data sheets. Handling chemicals in your facility is serious business. In addition to maintaining safe temperature control, the cleaning and sanitizing of your facility is a critical step in preventing foodborne illness. First, food contact surfaces must be cleaned, then sanitized utilizing one of the 3 types of sanitizer: quaternary ammonia, also known as quats, chlorine, or iodine. Follow the manufacturer's instructions when combining the required amount of sanitizer with the required amount of water. Get this combination wrong and you may not be killing viruses and bacteria. If you don't know how much sanitizer to water is required for your buckets or spray bottles, then fill these items from the sanitizer sink after properly mixing and testing with a chemical test strip. If you're using quats, be sure to dampen your terry cloth towels with running water before adding to the bucket. Dry towels will soak up your sanitizer and reduce the concentration of your solution. The strength or killing power of your sanitizer is measured in ppms, or parts per million. The only way to know if your sanitizer is working is to use a test strip. Be sure to choose the right test strip for each type of sanitizer. Chlorine strips do not test for quats. All food contact surfaces must be cleaned, then sanitized before and after each use. A food contact surface is any surface that comes in contact with food, such as work tables, cutting boards, slicers, food processors, and even utensils. To prepare the pot and pan sink, fill the first sink with detergent. The water temperature should be around 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Fill the second sink with rinse water. Be sure to fully fill this sink up so that pots and pans and utensils are completely rinsed before being immersed in the sanitizer. Sanitizer is destroyed by food bits and leftover detergent. Fill the final sink with a sanitizing solution of sanitizer and water mixed at the correct concentration according to the manufacturer's instructions. The first step to washing, rinsing, and sanitizing is to scrape, rinse, or soak the items before washing them. Some kitchens are equipped with a 4-compartment sink, which makes this ideal. Next, wash pots and pans or utensils in detergent. Place in the rinse sink and rinse well, and then place in the sanitizer sink. Different sanitizers require different immersion times. Please check with your manager to find out how long items must be immersed in the sanitizing solution. And final step, air dry. Some schools use a dish machine or commercial dishwasher for the final sanitizing step. Items are washed and rinsed using the pot and pan sink, then run through the dish machine. If the dish machine uses heat as the sanitizer, be sure it reaches sanitizing temperatures. This may be measured with a dishwasher-safe digital thermometer or a heat-sensitive T-stick. If the dish machine uses chemical sanitizer, be sure the concentration is set at the correct level and test using the appropriate chemical test strip. We've talked a lot about the chemicals used in the kitchen. For your safety and the safety of others, always refer to the Material Safety Data Sheet, sometimes referred to as the MSDS. These sheets must be kept on file in your kitchen. They provide information on use, mixing, equipment requirements, do you need to wear a mask or gloves, and first aid information for chemicals used in the kitchen. Chemicals should be stored separately and always away from any food item. Chemicals may not be on work surfaces during food production. Speaking of mixing, never combine chemical products to make your own special cleaning and sanitizing concoction. When ammonia and chlorine are mixed together, it immediately creates a gas that could be fatal when inhaled. We've covered a lot of information about cleaning and sanitizing, from preparing the correct sanitizing solutions and testing them to make sure the concentration is correct, to actual cleaning and sanitizing of pots and pans. And don't forget to review the material safety data sheets. They provide valuable information about the use of chemicals in a school kitchen. Please take a few moments to answer the review questions. Question 1. Sanitizing solutions must be correctly mixed in order to A. Save money, B. Kill viruses and bacteria, C. Remove dirt and grease, or D. Create a pleasant smell in the kitchen. The correct answer is B. Kill viruses and bacteria. Be sure to check with your manufacturer to find out how much sanitizer is combined with what amount of water, and be sure to store towels in the sanitizing solution. Don't leave towels on the work surface. Question 2. The only way to tell if your sanitizer strength is killing viruses and bacteria is to A. Smell it, B. Pour in extra amounts, C. Use a chemical test strip, or D. Use a thermometer. The correct answer is C. Use a chemical test strip. The only way to know if your sanitizer is effective in killing germs is to use a test strip to measure the strength. Question 3. The steps to cleaning and sanitizing in a 3-compartment sink consist of the following. A. Scrape, rinse, or soak pans first, then wash, rinse, sanitize, and air dry. B. Scrape, rinse, sanitize, and air dry. C. Scrape, wash, and air dry. Or D. Scrape, rinse, or soak pans first, then rinse and air dry. The correct answer is A. Scrape, rinse, or soak pans first, then wash, rinse, sanitize, and air dry. If you don't have enough room on the sink to air dry, then use a baker's rack for additional space. Question 4. To check the temperature of a high-temp dish machine, you may A. Fill the water with your hands to be sure it is hot. B. Watch for steam coming out of the machine. C. Feel how hot the pan is when it is removed from the dish machine. Or D. Use a T-stick or dish machine safe thermometer. The correct answer is D. Use a T-stick or dish machine safe thermometer to make sure your high-temp dish machine is reaching a sanitizing temperature of 180 degrees Fahrenheit. See your manufacturer for low-temp or chemical sanitizing machines. And lastly, question 5. True or false? Material safety data sheets provide instructions for first aid. The correct answer is true. As a food service employee, you should know where the material safety data sheets are located in case of an emergency. Plus, lots of great information regarding the product may be found on these sheets, such as how to properly mix, equipment requirements, and a toll-free number to call for more information on the chemical. And very importantly, remember never to combine chemicals to make your own special concoction.
New hire, this is a little hard to say, but this is not working out, and I'm going to have to let you go. I'm sorry.
Good job, good job. You passed. Let me explain. I work for the superintendent. He's sending me around to all the schools in the county to pose as an incompetent worker to monitor kitchen safety and training. You're the first school that's done well so far. You passed. No need to worry. I'll be sending a positive report.
The superintendent sent you?
Yes, the superintendent.
Well, okay. I guess there's no issue then.
No, thank you. Great job. And I'll be seeing you soon.
Mr. Superintendent? Hi, this is Chris Lester. You sly dog. New hire just told me that you sent her down here to spy on me. Yeah, new hire. You sent her down here to show us, to spy on me to see if we were doing their safety program. No? No, really? Okay. A tin hut! Ladies and Bob, today I have some good news and some bad news. I'll give you the bad news first. New hire did not make our team. The good news is that she was secretly sent by the superintendent's office to check our food safety practices, and we passed! Well, we never heard or saw from new hire again. It was a mystery to all of us at school. In the end, it doesn't really matter. I suppose in her own mysterious way, she made all of us a little more conscious of what safety means. And that's all that matters.
We'd like to thank you for spending time with us today. We hope that you have gained valuable information to make the school kitchen you work in a safer place for students and adults. Here's to your successful food safety program.